Presenting the 2009 Dodge Challenger. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, this vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.